guys. So here's our Beyblades. Yup. And these are the Beyblades that we made. Yeah. Nothing special. What is this? Yung butang mo sticker.
Bro, it looks much better than his face looks.
Okay.
Looks a bit.
Okay, fine. But here's the other one. Wait. There. Okay, but yeah. But these ones are the real Beyblades. We are new. We're new to YouTube. So please support us.
Get us to 200 billion subscribers and likes. Thank you.